We're just waiting for Rocky to join. He's going to join from Delhi. I'm in Goa. And you can see I've really been enjoying my lockdown. My beard is growing out. My hair has gone long. But it's green. And I'm very grateful the whole family is in good health, as I'm hoping all of you are. And as soon as Rocky's on, we will try and get this started. Until then, just bear with me if I can't answer all the questions.
Hello, Mr. Mayur.
Oh my God, look at you! Where's your daddy gone?
Everybody is growing a beard at this time, so I thought it's best if I shave mine. So I have shaved my beard, and what do you know? I'm a fat Chinese guy.
Never fat, never fat. We don't know that word. We don't like it.
That's true. I'm a slim Chinese guy. But I am a Chinese guy. I've just discovered that. What do you think? Hey, M. Vidya 40, how are you? Hi, both of you. Hi, Paramita Saha. I'm back! Woohoo! Chole Samose, Mahesh KS08, Gaurav HK2849. Hey, there's a lot of people over here, man. Mayur, why do people want to come and see your face on a beautiful evening like this?
Look at that face. What's wrong with that face, I ask you? My mommy still loves it.
I'm looking terrifying here without my beard, huh?
No, I could see the beard coming back.
Yeah, I shaved it like 3 days ago, so this is 3 days of growth. It'll probably take another week for it to get back. Until then, I feel naked. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Okay. Everybody who's watching this, do not let your imaginations run wild. Do not think of this man naked. He's only talking about his face. Oh, somebody's asking. It's going to be. Sorry, I'm just scrolling. We've actually shot 13 episodes of a new season, and we're hopeful that they'll come out soon. There's some stuff going on, as you know, around the world, getting in the way of many, many plans. So once that is worked out, hopefully we'll be able to launch that show.
How are you doing in the times of Corona, Mr. Mayur? Are you eating well?
I am eating well. I am actually loving time at home with the family. As you and I already know, but I think people who've been watching, we've been doing a lot of baking in the house. I get dragged into the kitchen. I'm beginning to enjoy it in bits and pieces. I'm trying to get healthy.
Question is the family enjoying spending time with you? Because you're the difficult one over here. Your family is lovely.
This is lockdown. They don't have a choice. Thank you, Mr. Modi.
True love. 21 days of true love. We've never felt so close to our families that we do right now.
Chole Samose, he says that NDTV Good Times pe aayega. So Chole Samose and everybody else watching, it is no longer called NDTV Good Times. It's now called My Good Times. And that's the page that you're seeing this on. And when the new episodes come, they will come on this. And if you look at our post, we already got information on the current ones on Airtel, on Tata Sky, what they're playing on. And we'll put out notes to let you know what episode reruns are playing. So if you have a specific interest in a place like Manali, then you'll know in time that Manali is where we're going.
Yeah, but I mean, first of all, we're starting with the Coast to Coast series, right? Garvita Opal, how are you keeping yourself entertained during lockdown? How are we keeping ourselves entertained during lockdown? I am writing a lot. We are writing a new book that should be out in what? How long, Mayur? About 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 6 months.
We'd like to have it out in 3 to 5 months from now. Let's see where the world goes. I'm living day by day. If you're asking me what I'm doing, I'm living day by day, enjoying each day because we have absolutely no idea what the world is going to look like. Hey, after 9 o'clock today, I don't even know if I'll have electricity in which to write a book. I'll have to go back to writing it with lamp oil and a feather.
Yeah, that's okay. These are small things, you know. What I like to say is there's so much happening all over the world right now. There are so many important things. People's lives are being re-looked at, like what is important, what is not. And at the end of all of this, if we survive, great. If we don't, you know, hey, too bad. Yeah, live it up while you can. Though I would have ideally preferred to go out in a zombie apocalypse. I have 2 cookies. I want to use them. Like, a full zombie apocalypse, thousands of zombies on the roads. I'm cutting the heads off. We're running through, enjoying a snack every now and then to keep the glucose up while you chop heads. That's a fun way to live here.
Yeah, uske liye you have to have permission to leave the house. Since you're home, and you can't, and you're locked down, you might as well use the cookeries to chop aloo, pyaz, tomato, because I don't know if you know, Goa government has even banned chicken and seafood for a while. So, not that I'm concerned, but a lot.
The sense in banning? What's the sense in banning seafood? Oh, they can't go out to catch fish. That's the problem.
Yes. Oh, somebody said Resident Evil. Somebody obviously knows about the whole cookery reference.
Yeah, two of them back here. Like that. Yeah.
She was a lot prettier and yeah.
Who I was a lot prettier. I know with my beard, I'm not looking that pretty without it, but you can see it from here. It looks nice like this.
Oh, somebody asked you, Rocky, mutton biryani or chole kulche?
Oh, good question. Yeah, right now chole kulche because I've been making mutton biryani. You know, I had when we went into the lockup, the first thing I did was to go out and buy 48 beers and 16 kilos of meat. And I'm happy to report that I've only finished 31 beers and 12 kilos of meat. So I have 4 kilos of meat left. But what I really want to dig my teeth into right now is chole kulche. Stop talking dirty to me, you evil people. I am Hardik Popli, Samurai Rocky. Yes, hi Hardik Popli. How's it going? Samosa or biryani? Biryani, yeah. Come on, samosa is nice snack.
Samosa. Siddhanta says, grew up watching the two of you. Siddhanta, unfortunately, some of us on this screen have not grown up yet. So I'm glad you're all grown up.
Yes, I'm not grown up yet. Only my ponytail has become shorter. Yeah, I'm enjoying this ponytail. Yeah, you know, it's a lot of fun having this long hair. Why did you cut your hair, Mayur? I want to know. Yeah, what was the thinking behind cutting your hair in the middle of a televised series? What's the big deal?
I went to climb a mountain. I would have been on the mountain for more than 20 days, where it's too cold to bathe. I did not want to walk around with long hair unwashed. So trim. And you know what? I don't miss the long hair. It may not look as pretty, but it's easier to manage.
What are you saying? You're beautiful. Look at your face. I mean, really.
Oh! Somebody said, has Rocky turned vegetarian by any chance? No.
No. So here's the secret. Today I was able to get through to my meat supplier, who also supplies to a lot of restaurants because I consume a lot, and I have replenished. So I've just received 16 kilos of meat. Only problem is it is only pork. So I have 3 kilos of pork franks. I have 2 kilos of pork sausage. I have 2 kilos of pork bacon. I have 3 kilos of pork fillets. I have, what else do we have, guys? Do you remember what else we got? We got pork keema, 2 kilos of pork keema. So I'm nicely stocked for the next 7 days. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to sit inside my house. I'm going to make lots of pork dishes. I'll keep putting them up on our Instagram page, which is Rocky and Mayur. And we're going to keep putting them up, and I'll keep putting it up starting today. I think today I'm going to have, I'll make a pasta and put some sausage and franks in that. Actually, pork franks. How's that? What are you having for dinner today, Mayur?
No idea. I've been busy reading. I've been busy reading. There's a lady that's asking your favorite place to eat in Guwahati or Assam for that matter.
Oh, Guwahati, yeah. Guwahati is lovely. Paradise. Paradise, chilled beer, a paradise thali, amazing food, fish tenga, and what is the bamboo chicken here when they put the meat inside the bamboo. Do you remember what it's called? Tungar.
No.
Tungar Diya Mas. I think it's called Tungar Diya Mas, right? Whoever's from Assam over here, please tell us. But here's, oh no, that's the decor is, Mayur's decor. Mayur, somebody likes your decor behind you in your house.
My beard? Oh, that.
No, behind you.
Oh, behind you. There. I think they like this.
That.
All the little birdies, cloth birdies. Favorite place in Himachal Pradesh, Rocky?
Ooh, let's not forget about that. But now that we're on the subject of thalis and
Sunga chicken. Somebody just said Sunga chicken. Sunga chicken.
Sunga Diya Mas. That was the one. That was very good. Yeah.
Correct.
But now that we're talking about, let's get into some food details. We're talking about paradise and thali. I was in Assam earlier this month. This month itself, I was there. It was beautiful. And I went out and I was looking for elephant apples. And we finally came to a tree. And the elephant apple is like it's like about this big. And my hand is very large. So
I hope they weren't still attached to the elephant.
No. Those aren't called elephant apples in that case, old chap. They're called something else. And you will not want to hold those while they are still on the elephant. Trust me. He will make a trunk call to you very fast and he'll go turn around and go, tusk, tusk, you shouldn't have touched those. Okay, so the elephant apple is like that big. A regular apple is this big in my hand. And they grow only in the wild. People have been trying to grow elephant apples domestically for decades, but you cannot grow it domestically. Only grows in the forest. It's like really hard. It's almost like stone. And it's bright green in color and it sort of hangs from the tree. And elephants break them and they eat them and they're delicious. And in Assam, they use them to make tenga. It's a really sour taste. So you put it in chicken or fish or whatever, becomes very, very delicious and very sour. And that's one ingredient that I really love here. I got a whole bag when I came back from Assam. Unfortunately, they've all been used up because I exhausted my fish supply. I only had 2 kilos.
Fish? So
Good
that's
apples,
not the only
yes,
place.
good
They do the fish tenga, then in Andhra Pradesh do the chapal polusu, the tamarind. I think fish and sour goes very well together. I don't know why they say the expression is sour puss. Should be sour fish.
Could be. I'm speechless by your observant, detailed, eye for detail. Wow, sound is so good. Ishara for, yeah, Ishara, sound is good. It all the better to hear me singing with, but I'm not going to sing right now. So Mayur, obviously you're not working in the kitchen. I'm slogging over here cooking food for my whole family every day, lunch and dinner, 2 meals. I do the food, my son does the dishes, my daughter bullies us and knocks us around, and my wife pretends that she's doing all the other work, whereas she's not doing anything at all. And if you don't believe me, there she is right now. You can see, can you see where she is?
Working very hard.
Working very hard. She's watching with her headphones something on her cell phone because my daughter is watching TV. So my job is to cook around here and clean, and that is all that we do in this house. It is shameful. I'm a star and look what they're making me do.
Okay, here's how much sympathy I have. I like really listen to this deeply with pain in my heart, and I want to respond in kind. What is going to be your favorite to go to when Highway on My Plate Hills and Highway on My Plate Coast to Coast? It's the road again as it is, the reruns. Where are you going to go?
Oh, so the reruns are on. But, I like the extreme areas there. Gujarat is one of my favorite places. It has incredible birds and incredible cuisines. There's Kathiawadi, there is Gujarati, there is Kutchi cuisine, there is, what else? I mean, there's so many cuisines in Gujarat. That is absolutely phenomenal to be there. And the snacks, what's your favorite snack? What's that? Gaba Dabeli. Gaba Dabeli was the most incredible snack in the world. Unfortunately, Gaba has passed on. Jasmeet Oberoi also loves Gujarati food. So do I, Jasmeet. There's 2 of us.
There's a lady that said you look just like her husband.
Oh, what a good-looking husband you have, young lady. Well done. Congratulations.
I was just going to say she should leave very quickly. But only as a joke. Don't do it. And if you do it, I didn't say anything.
So, Mayur, there's I am Hardik who met you in SGBT somewhere. Or in college.
Yeah, the Soka Bodhi Tree Garden. He's a fellow Buddhist. So for all of you that are watching, the vegetarian is also very gentle and he's also a Buddhist. So this was a Buddhist colleague who said hello. Sir, please reply bhi karo आपस में तो आप दूसरे से गप्पे पहले भी कभी भी मार लेते हो.
Rahul Singh, are you sitting in a museum? Rocky sir, no sir, Rahul, this is my house here. It looks like a museum. My whole house is full of things that I've collected from all over the world. Let me take you for a little tour of my house. So let me show you. These are 2 old carvings. They're about 100 years old. And these are some nice Tanjore paintings that you can see over here. Here they are, some nice Tanjores They're carved up over here. These are some Raja Ravi Verma paintings over here that you can see. They're oleographs actually, they're not paintings. There's a slight difference. I'm not going to get into what an oleograph is, but these are Raja Ravi Vermas. Here we have some Bhutanese masks that come from there. This is my favorite, this guy. Mayur, can you see the Garud?
Yes.
Isn't that incredible?
Beautiful. I mean, like, you're showing it to me like I've never seen it before. Oh, incidentally, the lady that said you look like a husband, she said she loves her husband very much. It's just that you look like him.
Oh, that's excellent. And here we have my brass corner in my house. So lots of things made of brass. There's a lot of collectibles over here, and my whole house sort of looks like that. So if you see, it is a sort of a museum. I mean, I like to call it home, but it is a kind of museum. So, you know, we love it. It's nice to have a chock-a-block house full of memories. And my wife is a designer, and she's also a traveler, so we get a lot of stuff over here. Rocky still looks young. Oh, thank you. Harleen Kaur, they go too fast here. I can't read them.
Can you show us your safe also with the pin code and all while you're doing it?
The what?
Your safe with the pin code and all while you're doing it.
Nothing is safe in my house. Bera 4531. Hi, how are you? Rahul Singh, sorry, your home is a really cozy place. Yes, thank you. That's a good thing. Nothing to be sorry about. It is a cozy place.
Jasmeeta Oberoi, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, which city? Sorry, after you rock.
No. So go ahead. Read some of the comments here. We've been talking to each other.
Yeah.
That's right. We should talk to them.
Okay. Jasmeeta Oberoi is asking Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, which city wins for its food R&M?
Kolkata, Chennai,
Delhi, and now it's disappeared.
Oh,
you know what my
Kolkata.
memory is? Delhi,
Kolkata,
Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata.
Delhi is my home, so I love Delhi. I mean, the food in Delhi is absolutely incredible. I keep eating a lot of food in Delhi, so that's why I would pick Kolkata, because Kolkata is just fantastic. I love the food there. Again, tons of flavors here. Fuchi Chalo, loving what the wife is doing. Yes, you lazy girls, just sitting and chilling and making your husband do all the work. Fine. Ever been to Gurgaon? Yes, Mayur, we've been to Gurgaon many times. Okay, you read out some. Come on, you read out.
Okay. Snigdha Sehgal says, I used to visit places you recommended with my dad. Now I visit with your YouTube recommended restaurants with my boyfriend, and he loves it. Thank you very much. So we are now spanning 2 generations of your life, Snigdha. And you can tell with all the white in our beards. Rocky sir, have you ever drunk Gomutra? Legit question, I swear. It's not me.
Not in liquid form. अब मैं क्या बोलूं यार? क्यों मेरा मुंह खुलवाते हो? No, I don't do the urinary kinks. I'm very happy eating the meat and sort of doing all that. So I don't do urine. Thank you. Sorry, urine therapy is not my thing. And for example, my least favorite planet is Uranus. So I stay away from anything that starts with UR, because that's. Then so we got Lakshit saying you're awesome. Thank you, Lakshit. Sir, wine ही घर में है आपके पास? Samrana 8377. Yes, wine है थोड़ी बहुत, लेकिन wine हम पीते नहीं है. Mayur, are you drinking wine by the way these days?
I'm going through my complete stock because all the alcohol shops in Goa are closed and stuff. So we make sure that Michelle and we enjoy some wine, but not every day.
Yeah. Shubham wants to know, did you guys stock up? Yeah, Shubham, we stocked up big time. I mean, like I said, I got 48 bottles of beer. I enjoy my beer now and then. I enjoy whiskeys. I have about 6 bottles of whiskey when they started. I've still got about 5.5 left. So I've been drinking beer, really, like 1 or 2 a day. Not much. There's no fun getting drunk at home alone. So not too much.
Okay. Aishu Singh 10. Any video on delicacy that you are trying at home? I think Rocky is best for that.
Any what delicacy?
Any video on delicacy that you're trying at home. So this is a person who's not been following us at Rocky and Mayur, because on Instagram, we're putting out a lot of videos and photographs of what we're experimenting with at home right now.
Right. So we do, I cook a whole bunch of different kinds of food. I do Chinese, Thai, Italian, Indian, and I'm changing the menu every day in my house so people are happy. That's one way to keep my family happy. They're all gluttons. They love food. But my recipes are always really simple. So my trick is to make food really simple and to get the right flavors. My secret, and this is a big thing. Remember this, please, all of you note. My secret is to cook everything separately. So if I'm cooking a Chinese chicken dish, for example, I'll prepare my chicken separately. I will make a base for it separately. So I'll put the garlic, the ginger, the sauces, etc. separately and cook them. I will fry the chicken, get it ready separately, and then add the chicken, quickly add the sauces, add onions, green chili, blah, 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 toss it around and serve it. And that's the best way to do it because you get really nicely done chicken. Your sauce is not burnt or overcooked or blackened. It's perfect. You get great flavors and you get really nice crunch from the vegetables. So the secret of cooking, don't be lazy. Don't cook everything at once in one pot. That's the Indian way to do it. The rest of the world does it in bits and pieces and then puts it together. So that's it. Some good news about Andhra food. Sriram wants some good news about Andhra food. Sriram, Andhra food is one of our favorites here. Every time we get down to Hyderabad, we have two stops that we go to first. Usually for lunch and dinner, we go to the spicy venue for lunch. They have the Potlam Biryani, which is just out of the world. It's one of my favorites. And then at night, we go to Mayur's favorite place. What is that, Mayur?
Simply South.
Simple.
Chef Chapati Rao. That does food of all 5 southern states. Fantastic. It's so spicy. And I'm like always struggling with it. Rahul Singh wants to know, sir, you guys are great. Rocky sir, favorite place in Punjab to visit?
Amritsar. My family's home is about 200 kilometers west of Amritsar, which is now in Pakistan. So it's very west, very, very west. And we came from there in 1947. My family came here. But Amritsar is where a lot of my family stays. It's a beautiful city, incredible food, only place in Punjab. And of course, you have to catch the reruns of Highway on My Plate that are on My Good Times right now. Please reply, do you all like Kolhapuri cuisine? One of a kind, 2510. Are you kidding me? Of course we like Kolhapuri cuisine. Yeah. Tamla rasa, padra rasa, bagris, theta, fresh all together, food on fire. That's the only way people should eat food. Once you put it in your mouth, your whole body should be on fire. And that's why I love Kolhapuri cuisine. What about you, Mayur? Do you like Kolhapuri?
In bits and pieces, yes. Yes. The misal pav. Then we went to that beautiful place that had those aloo vadas, then the rasas. Sometimes I get a little challenge with the spice levels that they put in there, but the food is fantastic. I love it. I would go there just to eat. the misal pav. Somebody asking, what do you prefer, hills or the coast in Highway on My Plate?
Hills. I prefer the hills. I am a large person. I perspire and feel very hot. So for me, it's always the hills. They're beautiful. They're cool. Lots of birds. You can chill out. Literally chill out. Like, thandi hawa, chandni suhani, hai mere dil, suna koi kahani. That kind of place. But Mayur likes the beach. Right, Mayur?
Yes, I do live in Goa, but I love the mountains too. You know, I go and do a trek every year if possible, a nice long trek. I don't sweat. I push myself. It's really nice and quiet, which is something I enjoy in Goa also. But in terms of hills versus coast to coast, I would have to agree with you. The hills were just special. I mean, all the journeys we took up there, which people are going to watch.
Damini Krishna, any fitness routine down the lockdown? Fitness, very important. We will leave it to the experts. Mayur, what's your fitness routine?
Okay. I have a specific one. So I used to go for these TRX classes, which is basically cables and functional exercise. And the lady that ran those classes actually does them online. So 3 or 4 times a week, I'm able to go and do that for an hour. And then I have a group with friends all over the world, and we report on the number of push-ups and pull-ups we do all day and stuff. And I'm the weakest one of the lot. I'm quite lazy, but I'm trying to make sure that I get some exercise or the other. And then back in college, Rocky and his friends had taught me a game called foot squash, which is basically you play it against the wall with a tennis ball. I've taught that to my son. So we play, my son and my daughter and I play football against the wall like a squash game. So we play that for an hour. So I'm keeping quite fit.
Yes, I'm feeling a little nauseous talking about fitness and exercise. Please, it's making me hungry. Rocky, how deep is your stomach? Nihal wants to know. Nihal, जैसे हमें गहराई का पता चलेगा, हम आपको फोन करके जरूर बताएंगे. अभी तक हम उसमें रस्सी डालते जा रहे हैं, रस्सी जाए जा रही है. There is no end in sight. And why should
You sound like Baba Ramdev. रस्सी डाले जा रहे.
Yeah, that used to be my yoga routine, you know. My fitness routine used to be yoga. It used to be like, अगर तुम्हारे नाक में दर्द है, यहाँ से रस्सी डालो, यहाँ से रस्सी निकालो और ऐसे करो. अगर तुम्हारे सिर में दर्द है, यहाँ से रस्सी डालो, यहाँ से रस्सी निकालो और ऐसे करो. और अगर तुम्हारे पेट में दर्द है, यहाँ से रस्सी डालो और अब मैं क्या बताऊं, आप अपने आप ही समझ गए होंगे. So that is why I stopped doing yoga. It didn't agree with me too much. So Kiran say wants to know, will you be doing any overseas shows? Kiran, यहाँ पे यार खाने का नसीब नहीं हो रहा. We're not being able to do local shows outside our house, and you want to send us overseas, but we will. If somebody pays us, we will do it. We are just like that. We are sitting idle. So waiting for it. Ajay Pal saying smile. Yeah, okay, everybody's cracking up. I will definitely light a candle. For those of you who may not know this, my sister is a doctor and she is in the US. And she is in Miami and she is dealing with a huge influx of corona patients in her ward. So we are all, my mother, myself, my family, we're really, really worried about her. So we've been lighting a candle every day on our balcony for her and for all the doctors in India and all over the world who are sort of the front lines of corona. So that's not going to change. Instead of the side, I'm going to put that candle in the middle. And I say this here, fellow Indians, don't get too caught up in hatred and all this nonsense here. If you can do something for somebody, go ahead and do it. What's the harm in lighting a candle and letting people know that you're thinking of them for doing a good job? So all the doctors, medical practitioners, nurses out there, all respect to you. I'm lighting a candle for all those who think 9 बजे नक्षत्र इस लाइन में होगा तो कैंडल जलाने से कोरोना भाग जाएगा. You need to go running and hit your head into a wall several times. It's enough to let you know that you're a moron and that you need to understand life better. So do that. And until you do that, keep hitting your head into a wall. But for the rest of you, love, happiness, joy. Chale, Namrata, Achan, well said. Rocky, thank you. Priya Kohli, well said. Yeah, thank you.
Virgo, Karthik, you guys are the best duo. Thank you. Always a fan. Definitely friendship goals. How did you guys come up with the idea of taking your love of food to people? Lots of love.
You should answer that, Mayur. It started with you, your family.
Once it started with a channel called NDTV Good Times, which is not called NDTV Good Times anymore. We must remember it's called My Good Times. And they were looking to do some shows. And they spoke to a cousin of mine who used to be a travel photographer and his wife was a travel writer. They didn't want to do it. He told me to try and do it with my wife. My wife is American. She's a teacher. She had absolutely no interest in doing it. Then we found out that Abhinandan Nikku Sekri, who was the producer and director of the show, was a friend of ours from back in the day. And we said, well, Rocky and I have done this all our lives. Rocky used to first steal his mom's car when we didn't have a car. And then Rocky got a car. I still don't have a car. I'm very poor, you can see. And we used to drive all over the country and eat food. And so we said, we'll give it a shot. And they pulled out a camera and they did a little trial and the channel liked it. And the rest is history.
Wow, sir, what a star you are. आपने अपने गुड लुक्स के बारे में एक बारी भी नहीं बोला. कितने हम्बल हो आप, हम्बल. You are so humble.
शक्ल देखी है मैंने अपनी शीशे में. मैं बोलता नहीं किसी को.
Please say hello to my little brother, Abhijit Pandey's little brother. Hello, Yash. How are you? Yash. Yash, it is us talking to you. Yash. Hello to you. Peace, turtle, thumbs up. Atul Maharaj, not only the channel, we liked it too. Yee, woohoo, thank you. The Dani Gaurav, Netflix plans. No, but Amazon Prime has one series, the Hill series. See that? Offline jao sir, home podcast record karo. Yes, it's coming. The home podcast 2 are out already. Catch them on newslaundry.com. Hey, somebody is still setting where you are. It's become almost dark outside in Delhi.
This is the lightness of being that you get when you're in Goa. Look, it's green, it's beautiful, it's quiet, it's got mangoes, it's light.
Wow, what a scene. Okay, so listen, let's do this more often. Guys, let's try and do more lives. Thank you, all of you, for coming here. Dani Gaurav, thank you. Atul Maharaj, veg food on Mayur, yes. But I think it's been 40 minutes, Mayur. So let's hit the tracks. I have to go make some dinner. I'll try and put some pictures up on it on our Instagram, Rocky and Mayur. So catch that and catch all the reruns on My Good Times. Mayur, your last message.
Yeah, if you just, if you're not already my Instagram page, you can go there. You can go to the My Good Times page on Twitter and Instagram. See the timing of the show. They made it available on cable, and you can see reruns. Yes, I know it's reruns, but we still enjoy them. We hope you still enjoy them, and we'll do some of these sessions again. Thanks for joining in and watching. See you guys. Thank you,
Okay,
guys.
bye. See you guys. Lots of love.